Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use GlassWire Interactive World Map. GlassWire is a popular network monitoring and security application that helps you see what is happening on your internet connection in real time. So one of its most visually helpful feature is the Interactive World Map. The GlassWire World Map shows you where your computer is connecting around the world, and it displays countries like cities and servers your app communicate with when you browse the internet, stream videos, use cloud services, or they run background app. First, open to your GlassWire on your PC, search for GlassWire and open it over here. And once the GlassWire launches, you will see the main dashboard. Usually this shows a live network activity graph at the top here, and this means GlassWire is now actively monitoring your internet connection. Over here in GlassWire, the interactive world map is not a separate button, but it appears inside the specific section. To open the world map, you can go to this firewall mode and select click to block, and that is it. Once you open to this section, GlassWire automatically displays the world map panel, usually on this side called the background view. And when the world map appears, you may see a global map of the earth. Dots are markers on different countries, lines or paths connecting your PC to those locations. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.